Hello all. This is regarding iPhone 13 Pro Max. We are going to unbox this phone today, which we bought in yesterday. So here we can see this is the box which we get from Apple, and this is how it is. This is a sealed, so which I just opened from here. This is how it is. Here is a description of this product, how exactly from where exactly we get it, the company and everything. So now let me open this box. So this is how it is. Now you can see this is iPhone 13 Pro Max. But this is a lid, kind of protection sheet which has been laid on the screen. These are some regular stickers which came along with Apple's devices. This is a charging cable, I would say, which ends with type C type. You can see this is type C to regular Apple port. So you can simply plug into your any adapter from the type C side, and this is for your Apple. Herein we are going to turn it on. Let's see. Yeah. So that's the first time. Let's see how much time it will take to boot up first time. Now you can see it's up, so we can select the English country. We can set up manually. There is something wherein we have to choose the Wi-Fi, and now the password. I have just put in the password, so now it says it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. So you can see that. Yep, it's done. Now it's continue. It's one setup. I'd say Face ID. I say letter. Create a passcode. I would say now just simply create any passcode like 121212, anything like that. Yeah, I use anyway. I'm just doing an. You can choose some strong password for your device. I would always prefer. This is just we want it to get into the device, so that's why. Don't transfer apps and data. This is it. So now I have to put in my Apple ID in it. So let me do that. Now I have successfully put in my Apple ID in this. It's got verified, and now you can see it may take few minutes. So now it's asking me the iPhone passcode which we set up together. It's 121212 and say, oh, okay. Yeah. So now it's up. It's asking me that like for my different device passcode which I have which I'm using in my different device. So this is how this is going to restore it. So now it says keep your iPhone up to date. If I have to keep on continue, it says enable location services. Yeah, let's do that. What happened? Okay, it's moving on top. You can see it says setup later invalid. If you want to store your passwords onto the iCloud, so you can use this iCloud keychain feature. This is very useful feature, like if you're using Apple devices. I'm not, so this is the one. So I'll say set up Siri later, screen time, set up later in settings, or continue. Then chair appearance, whatever you like to be. So let's choose dark or light. I'll choose light. Display zoom standard, and welcome to iPhone. It says swipe up to get started. Use, okay. Yeah, we are in. So that's it. So this is how you can see the iPhone 30 comes from the companies. So even if you want, you can check it about the device settings. You can go to this settings, general, and then about. Here is an option for about. Now you can see the device details. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.